Hey everyone, I'm here at my brother's house to help him and his wife put in some basic shelves inside their storage closet. To get started with this project, I drew a level line around the closet at the height I wanted the shelves to be at and marked the location of the studs along this line. Due to the shape of the closet, I'll be using shelf brackets for the majority of the support, but I'm adding some 1x2 blocking along the corners for strength and to help hold the boards during installation. I cut a 45-degree angle to one side of the shelf to make it easier to get into the closet without clipping a sharp corner. While the shelf rests on the blocking, I placed a bracket flush against the underside and aligned it with the stud. Next, I marked the location of the screw holes and drilled pilot holes in each location to make sure the screws would be going into the stud. This process was repeated for the remaining brackets. I added more blocking and cut the short side to length. To help keep the two shelves flush with each other, I used a short piece of 1x2 as strapping on the underside. This entire process was repeated for a second lower shelf. In order to give them a thicker, more premium appearance, you can add 1x2 to the face of each shelf. This serves multiple purposes as it helps hide the brackets as well as the cut edges of the boards. If you're a DIYer and don't have a battery-powered brad nailer, be sure to add one to your wish list. This is one of my favorite tools for work around the house. It's time to clean things up by caulking any remaining gaps, and my preferred way of caulking anything is by running painter's tape down the seams. I'm absolutely terrible at putting down an even bead, plus removing the tape and revealing a clean line is extremely satisfying. So there we go, a basic set of shelves that are both easy to make and after a coat of paint will look sharp too. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.